7 cutting-edge money-saving tips for 2023. Hello there, my fellow financial health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Financial Health Guru, the channel that's dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals and live your best life. Today, we're sharing some cutting-edge money-saving tips for 2023. Let's dive straight into it. Tip number 1 is all about rethinking your budget. Scrutinize your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut costs. Create a detailed budget that tracks your income and expenses. Tip number 2, embrace technology. There are countless apps and tools to help you save money. Consider using budgeting apps, cashback reward programs, and investment platforms to optimize your financial management. Tip number 3 is a game changer: meal prep and eat in. The cost of dining out can add up quickly. Commit to planning your meals in advance, shopping for groceries wisely, and cooking at home more often. Next up, tip number 4 is to evaluate your subscriptions. Are you really getting value from all of them? Consider canceling or downgrading the ones you don't use frequently. This simple step can free up extra cash for your savings goals. Money-saving tip number 5, shop mindfully. Make a conscious effort to cut down on impulse purchases and shop with a purpose. Create shopping lists, compare prices, and look for discounts and coupons. Moving on to tip number 6, explore side hustles. The gig economy is booming, and there are numerous opportunities to earn extra income in your free time. Side hustles can significantly boost your savings and investments. Last but not least, tip number 7, invest wisely. Make it a priority to grow your wealth through strategic investments. Diversify your portfolio. Consider long-term investments like stocks or real estate, and seek the advice of financial experts if needed. There you have it, folks! Our 7 money-saving tips for 2023. Remember, financial health is a journey, not a destination. By implementing these tips and staying committed to your financial goals, you're well on your way to a brighter, more secure future. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Financial Health Guru, and share it with your friends. Let's all make 2023 a year of financial prosperity. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay financially healthy.